guys, this is Siwan, and it's been a minute since I filmed my last English speaking video, so yeah, I decided to do one today. And since I have a lot in my fridge that I haven't eaten, I'm trying to empty my fridge for a few days, I guess, if I can. That's my goal, not to spend any money on food for a few days at least. And since I haven't really spoken in English in my videos, it's gonna be giving me a hard time throughout a few days. Yeah, I haven't done this for a while, please understand. And so yeah, for breakfast I'll be making some avocado toast. After editing my last LA video, I was craving some avocado toast so bad, so I bought some avocados from the supermarket a few days ago. So here are some avocados that I bought, and I think this one is pretty good to use, so I'll be using this one, and I'm gonna cook some eggs too. Guys, this is the first meal of the day, so I'm having some avocado toast, and I also put some sriracha sauce on top, and I'm having some cookies as dessert. So guys, I'm going to watch either some YouTube or Netflix or some TV shows, I don't know yet.
This is what my life has come to. For a single amino acid of a single protein. I can recite signal transduction pathways of dozens of proteins, but was never formally educated on the proper way to put food in my pie hole to make my body function properly. To be honest, most of my colleagues all had horrible eating and sleeping patterns. We would spend...
I'm going to start working. So I'll be working at home and I'll be editing my vlog. Hopefully I can upload one by tonight. And tonight I have to go to work for like a few hours. So yeah. Guys, so I finished one task for this week, and now I'll be working on some editing, and hopefully I can upload this video. So guys, I finished editing and I am going to upload this, and it will be up at like 6:30 tonight. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, I pretty much did everything I planned earlier today. And now I'm gonna have some snacks before I go to work. Since I'm out of like pickled radish, I'm gonna have some kimchi. So here's the last meal of the day, I hope.
그래도 같이 부를 때 좀 재밌었지 않았어요?
아니야, 어지럽다. 안 어지럽냐?
저는? 난 너무 설렜어요. 너무 좋았어요.
팬들은요 같이 안 불렀잖아요.
아이, 되네요, 형. 와.
Hey guys, I'm about to head out. So I'm wearing this white Lacoste polo shirt and I'm wearing just like a normal pair of pants. So a very simple look. Hi guys, today's a regular Wednesday and I got up pretty late today. I was very lazy this morning, so I haven't done anything till now. I'm about to have the first meal of the day. I'm thinking of having some leftover chicken. So guys, I feel like I'm pretty much having the same thing from yesterday. I don't have a lot of chicken left, so I really need something else other than this. A pinch of salt. Okay, so it's ready. We'll see. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Here's the outcome. It's not as bad, but I'm not sure if it will taste good. But yeah, I drizzled some honey and I put some banana on top of it. I hope it's good. We'll see. So guys, here's my lunch, I guess, because it's currently almost 2 in the afternoon. Yeah, here's the waffle. It doesn't look terrible, but I'm not sure how it will taste like. So I'm gonna have this waffle now. Hopefully this is okay. I didn't have enough ingredients, like when I made my protein waffle last year. I used to add chocolate chips and blueberries and stuff, so it tasted really good. But now there's like literally nothing but some eggs and a little bit of almond breeze for the consistency. Okay. With the banana, it's really good actually. Oh, thank God. It's better than I expected. It doesn't look good though, right? Guys, I'm about to head out. I'm gonna quickly do my OOTD. It's a little chilly out there, so I'm wearing a long sleeve sweater this time. I'm wearing these white jeans, and look at this. Do you see it? I'm wearing this new necklace that I just bought online. Hey guys, so today's Friday, and I'll be working at home pretty much all day. Just picked up a coffee from a cafe near my house. It's huge. So yeah, I'm gonna work on some lesson plans today, and maybe tonight I will watch some movies. I have to work tomorrow morning also. Hey guys, today's Saturday, and I'm actually heading out for work, and I'll be working for a few hours. So guys, I'm back home from work, and I came home and I'm about to have lunch, and to be honest with you guys, I ordered something last night. I got some food delivered last night. Yeah, so I didn't consume anything from my fridge last night because I was craving something spicy, and I ended up ordering some tteokbokki. And I have some leftovers from last night, so for lunch I'm going to have the leftover tteokbokki. So here's my big meal. I'm having some tteokbokki, some fried rolls. They don't really look good, but they're really good. And some, what should I call this? Steamed eggs, I would say. Guys, so today's Sunday, and I'm back home from my parents. I went to my parents this morning, and I came back home and I made some movie snack, I would say. It's a really famous Korean snack, and nowadays what is very popular is that you put a pack of homnambor into the air fryer and air fry it for like a few minutes, and it tastes amazing. So guys, I'm going to have dinner now, and it's currently 6:44, so yeah, I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm going to have some chicken that my mom made. So I'm going to have this with some rice, and I'm going to stir fry this with the rice. So here's my dinner, and looks really good. So
바쁘게 살아가는 일상의 스위치.
일상의 스위치를 저는 사실 여행을 되게 즐겨 하거든요. 지금은 거의 집에서 쉬고 있었어요. 네, 드라마 촬영하고.
자, 황수연 씨의 사주와 다큐 진짜 궁금한데 다른 방송에서 나왔고요.
The other day I was watching this TV show called 유일의 Sketchbook, and it was like my favorite singer's special like episode, and she sang a lot of her songs. She wrote the song and she wrote the music also, and it's one of my favorite songs that she sang also. So yeah, I wanted to practice a little. I looked up the chord sheet for the song. So I'm heading out now, and I'm gonna take a walk for like an hour because I just started my laundry machine and it's gonna take about an hour, and I haven't exercised at all today, so I need some exercise. And also, this is gonna be it for this video actually, even though I didn't do much in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching again.